Yeah, sorry Hugo, I think we have to go as well. It's hitting that time.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Gonna have to go soon. Or now, basically.
It's a spectacular day for October, isn't it?
Yeah, God, yeah.
Really
Still in a light shirt.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
It'll definitely get colder, won't it, now? I can feel it.
Yeah, it's changed, isn't it? But I think for October, it's warm, yeah.
Should we go, Hugo?
No.
Dear.
Exciting.
Yeah.
It was the best bit for them, isn't it? The whole journey, I think.
Yeah.
Theoretically, they should sleep well after this, right? So
Yeah,
running
that's
around,
one bonus.
Doesn't always actually work. Like
No,
that, but theoretically,
they always get a second wind, especially him.
yeah.
Do you know what happens if we go that way? It looks a bit more wild. Does it join another
Yeah.
sort of proper walkway?
So
Okay.
Where do you need to get back to?
Oh, well, it doesn't really matter. We're just going to aim down to the town, then I'll find the
Because,
connection.
You've got two options.
Yeah.
You can go down that way.